Hey, welcome back. So this is a quick video on how you can make the partitions of a graph dataset required for the distributed training. So I'm assuming that you have already gone through the setup video and done the necessary setup on your machine. To begin with, now you'll have to SSH into any one of the containers. I have SSHed into the first container. Then you can just pick any command from these script files, but a demo command is already given to you in the on the tutorial website, so you can use that just to do it quickly. So I am pasting this command. What I'm doing is creating partitions for the Flickr dataset. There will be 4 partitions, and it is using the metis or the default partitioning policy, and I'm giving some extra things such as balance edges, balance string, so that it roughly tries to balance the number of edges in each partition and the training nodes in each partition. So you can see the 4 partitions have been generated and the number of nodes and edges in each of them are shown here. Also, you should note that for me this ran pretty fast, but for you it might take a bit of time initially, since it will download the Flickr dataset from the internet and then make the partitions. Now to see where the partitions are actually stored, it will be stored in the partition/Flickr folder, and based on what partitioning strategy you use, the respective folder will be created. So we did the metis partitioning, so the partitions are stored in this folder. There are the 4 partitions, each with the DGL files for the nodes, edges and the graph, and then the JSON file which stores the metadata. We also created this small visualization that shows how the 7 classes present in the Flickr dataset are distributed among the partitions. And just for comparison, there's a similar visual for a different partitioning strategy. So you can see, based on the partitioning strategy, it will vary, like how many nodes go to which partition. So yeah, hope through this you understand how you can do the partitioning using our code. And in the next tutorial, we'll be using these partitions to run the distributed training and see the results of a trained neural network. So yeah, bye.